Geveze. Come here, my girl. Yes. How are you? Are you okay? Okay. Thank you for asking. I'm okay too. Oh, Geveze, don't do it. What are you trying to do? Become an orange cat? You dirty little girl. No, Geveze, no. Geveze, Geveze. Yeah, she's smoking literally. Smoking hot girl. Geveze. Look at you. Look at you, you dirty little girl. Don't complain. I'm trying to clean you up. Also, if you want to support the channel, guys, you can do that via Buy Me a Coffee. Link in the description. Thank you in advance and take care.